I kind of learned early on that I wasn't what everybody else was. I go to school and people are making fun of me because my skin is dark. I remember like being called a terrorist. So I was alone a lot. My name is Zsanelle, and I am part of Sephora Squad. As a hearing person, I've been learning sign language for the last 10 years. It's a culture and a language that I felt wasn't being represented really in the beauty space at all. And I wanted to be able to bring that diversity to the table and show that there are other forms of beauty out there. I would say growing up in Huntington Beach, I was definitely that person that stood out. My mom is half Filipino and half white, and my dad is full Indian. My parents are divorced. I grew up not very close to my dad. He was very physically abusive to me. Many times I've had to call the police, and I would always picture myself running away, and in my head I would say, okay, I'm running away, I'm gonna go home. But I didn't know where home even was. It never got any better. It only got worse until I got older and then was able to leave on my own and just break contact with him. Looking back, it was really hard. And it's so unfair that any kid has to go through that. I think that it made me realize that growing up, the safest place was me. It's where I am at. It's me on the inside. In high school, I got introduced to ASL, American Sign Language as a course. I fell in love with the fact that it is so expressive and open and honest, and the community is so tight-knit. Everybody knows everybody, and if they don't know you, like, they're gonna know you. Even if I go in as a hearing person, I'm not pushed away, but I'm embraced. My friends are like my family, because it's the family that you choose. I definitely feel more of a sense of community now than I did ever. Now, I've much more come into my own. I have been very blessed with opportunities to be able to sign on bigger scale events. So I've done concerts, conventions, and it's been nothing short of amazing. I was shopping at Sephora pretty frequently at this point, and I was able to apply for Sephora Squad, and through the processes, got accepted. And so I decided I'm gonna start trying to do these beauty tutorials and beauty reviews and videos, but I wanted to make sure that sign language was included in it because it's kind of changed my life. Growing up, I had family struggle. My life wasn't always easy, but I'm able to connect with people that felt like they were alone. And I wanted to be that person that could tell them that they can be so much more than what has happened to them. It makes me feel like the reason why I'm different is important.